Welcome to Shadowing English. If you're ready to improve your English, don't forget to like and subscribe. Now, let's get started.
English Learners Podcast. Listen, learn, and speak English with confidence. Have you ever had a good idea during a meeting, but stayed silent because you were afraid your English was not good enough? Later, did you wish you had spoken up? That feeling is more common than you think, but it does not have to stay with you forever. My name is Annie, and welcome to day 3 of our 10-day English speaking challenge. Today, we are going to practice a real-life story about sharing ideas at work with confidence. Speaking English in the workplace is not about using difficult words. It is about communicating clearly, listening carefully, and believing that your ideas matter. Every sentence you speak is another step toward becoming a stronger communicator. During today's lesson, I want you to imagine that you are living this story. Repeat every sentence with energy, even if you make mistakes. Your voice becomes stronger every time you use it. Before we begin, tell me where you are learning English today by commenting your country and city below. Relax your shoulders, smile, speak out loud with me, and let's start today's challenge together.
Our team gathered for an important meeting on Monday morning. Our team gathered for an important meeting on Monday morning. Our team gathered for an important meeting on Monday morning.
Good job.
I had prepared an idea, but I started to doubt myself. I had prepared an idea, but I started to doubt myself. I had prepared an idea, but I started to doubt myself.
Nice.
Everyone seemed confident, and I wanted to blend in. Everyone seemed confident, and I wanted to blend in. Everyone seemed confident, and I wanted to blend in.
Great job.
For a moment I almost kept quiet instead of speaking. For a moment I almost kept quiet instead of speaking. For a moment I almost kept quiet instead of speaking.
Well done.
Then I reminded myself that progress comes from taking action. Then I reminded myself that progress comes from taking action. Then I reminded myself that progress comes from taking action.
Nice work.
I raised my hand and shared my suggestion with the group. I raised my hand and shared my suggestion with the group. I raised my hand and shared my suggestion with the group.
That was great.
My voice shook a little, but I carried on speaking. My voice shook a little, but I carried on speaking. My voice shook a little, but I carried on speaking.
Perfect.
My manager nodded because my explanation was clear and practical. My manager nodded because my explanation was clear and practical. My manager nodded because my explanation was clear and practical.
Keep it going.
One teammate asked a question, and I responded with confidence. One teammate asked a question, and I responded with confidence. One teammate asked a question, and I responded with confidence.
Good job.
The discussion helped us come up with an even better plan. The discussion helped us come up with an even better plan. The discussion helped us come up with an even better plan.
Nice.
After the meeting, my manager thanked me for speaking up. After the meeting, my manager thanked me for speaking up. After the meeting, my manager thanked me for speaking up.
Great job.
That compliment gave me a boost of confidence. That compliment gave me a boost of confidence. That compliment gave me a boost of confidence.
Well done.
I realized that people cared more about my ideas than my mistakes. I realized that people cared more about my ideas than my mistakes. I realized that people cared more about my ideas than my mistakes.
Nice work.
From that day, I stopped overthinking every English sentence. From that day, I stopped overthinking every English sentence. From that day, I stopped overthinking every English sentence.
That was great.
Now I volunteer whenever I have something valuable to say. Now I volunteer whenever I have something valuable to say. Now I volunteer whenever I have something valuable to say.
Perfect.
Every meeting gives me another chance to improve my communication skills. Every meeting gives me another chance to improve my communication skills. Every meeting gives me another chance to improve my communication skills.
Keep it going.
Confidence grows when I choose progress instead of perfection. Confidence grows when I choose progress instead of perfection. Confidence grows when I choose progress instead of perfection.
Good job. Excellent work completing day 3 of our challenge. Today you practiced speaking up, sharing ideas, and trusting your voice in a real workplace situation. Remember that confidence is built through action, not by waiting until you feel ready. The more often you speak, the more natural English will become. Listen to this lesson again, repeat every sentence out loud, and try to use at least one new expression today. Tell me where you are learning English from, and write day 3 done in the comments after you finish your practice. Subscribe, so you can continue this journey with me tomorrow. Keep speaking, keep improving, and I will see you in day 4.